Well, we are on the tail end of a big old windstorm, and it's moved some stuff. First off, my poor tarps. The plastic got shredded right out of the material that is the frame. So obviously the metal brackets are fine, the plastic connections and all the fabric, but the tarp itself, that was basically like trash bag material, is ripped to shreds. So who would have guessed that my $3 Temu tarps did not survive the windstorm? Meanwhile, the ones that came with the kits that are this nice vinyl stuff, totally fine. We also had one of our major tents that was a storage tent completely blown away. I don't know if you can see, I'm not gonna walk over there right now, but right there, all those little wooden structures were completely covered by a tent, and it's gone. So now I'm looking, I was just in the rabbits, and kind of a weird thing. I guess it must be because of the wind. I'm not sure how that could be inside the greenhouse, but everything was closed up when I got here. I moved the log out of the way and everything, but this is super bizarre. The water that was right here for these rabbits is off, and I don't even see the metal connector piece, and the stuff is like busted off of its staples. It's like loose. I don't think they can get out, but I mean, we're inside an enclosed greenhouse and the greenhouse didn't move, so I don't know how this happened, but something happened. Anyway, I got a lot of cleanup to do.